Sea Turtles in Danger by Kristen Keshore. Amazing turtles. What is a sea turtle? A sea turtle is a kind of turtle adapted to life in the sea. Sea turtles have strong lungs, smooth bodies, and flippers instead of arms and legs. These features make them good underwater swimmers. Instead of teeth, sea turtles have mouths that are like beaks. Their mouths are the right shape and size for the sea plants and animals they eat. There are 7 different kinds of sea turtles: leatherback, flatback, hawksbill, Kemp's Ridley, olive ridley, green, and loggerhead. All 7 kinds of sea turtles have an amazing life cycle, and all 7 kinds of sea turtles are in danger of becoming extinct. Kemp's Ridley, loggerhead. Nests underground. A sea turtle spends most of its life in the water, but every sea turtle begins its life on land. In fact, every sea turtle begins its life underground. When it is time for her to lay her eggs, the mother turtle comes out of the sea and climbs onto the beach. This happens at different times throughout the world. In the United States, sea turtles lay their eggs between April and October. The mother sea turtle climbs onto the beach and digs a hole. Then she lays her eggs in the hole. Finally, she covers the eggs with sand. Then she returns to the sea. The mother sea turtle chooses a suitable or safe place on the beach and begins to dig a hole with her flippers. Then, depending on what kind of sea turtle she is, she lays between 50 and 160 eggs in the hole. The mother turtle then covers the eggs with sand and fills the hole. She throws sand all around to hide the nest and protect it from predators. Finally, she crawls back into the sea to rest. The mother turtle's job is done, and the baby turtles are left on their own. Baby turtles climb to life. About 60 days later, the baby turtles begin to crack open their shells. Then they dig upward through the sand. It can take a few days for the hatchlings to break out of the ground. Finally, they burst out together and run across the sand toward the sea. This is a dangerous journey for the hatchlings. If the turtles do not reach the sea quickly, they will die. Their smallness and weakness make them vulnerable to predators as the baby turtles cross the sand. Sometimes the lights of houses and hotels confuse the hatchlings, and they run in the wrong direction. Leatherback turtle. The largest of the turtles is the leatherback. It can grow to 7 feet long and weigh 1,200 pounds. The leatherback can dive deeper and travel farther than any other kind of sea turtle. Scientists think that baby sea turtles run toward the brightest spot on the beach, which is why lights can confuse them. Sea turtles on the move. Scientists think that after young sea turtles reach the sea, they look for a safe place to eat and grow. Once the turtles are bigger, they migrate to a new feeding ground. Some sea turtles migrate hundreds or even thousands of miles in search for food. When it is time for female sea turtles to lay eggs, they migrate again. Mother turtles always return to the beach where they were born to lay their eggs. Survival is not easy for sea turtles because they always face danger from predators. Only about 1 in 1,000 sea turtles reaches adulthood. Flatback turtle. The flatback turtle lives in the Pacific Ocean near Australia and Papua New Guinea. Its name comes from the flatness of its shell. A young sea turtle has 2 jobs: hiding from predators and eating. Threats to sea turtles. Animal predators. Sea turtles are most vulnerable to animal predators when they are young. Animals like raccoons, crabs, and ants dig into the sand and eat turtle eggs. Hatchlings running to the sea are delicious nourishment or food for birds and crabs. The oceans are also full of fish that love to eat young sea turtles. Animal predators make life hard for sea turtles, but it is humans that are driving sea turtles to extinction. Sharks eat adult sea turtles. This seagull has caught a baby turtle. Human predators. In many parts of the world, it is against the law for people to dig up sea turtle eggs or kill turtles. However, in some places, turtles are not protected with laws, and in some places where turtles are protected, people break the laws. In many parts of the world, sea turtles and turtle eggs are popular foods. In some places, many objects, such as jewelry and boxes, are made from the beautiful shells of sea turtles. Objects made from the shells of sea turtles. People who catch shrimp drown many sea turtles accidentally with their nets. Today, in the United States, there is a law that says that these people must use a special net that allows turtles to escape. Unfortunately, not everyone follows this law. This sea turtle is escaping from a special net that protects turtles.
We are going to pause here, and on the next slide, I want you to tell me what is a problem that these sea turtles are facing when it comes to human predators, and what is the solution that was put in place in order to protect the sea turtles.